Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you quick tips to display professional testimonials on your WordPress website to show social proof and boost your credibility. Here are some samples of the testimonials block that I have created. You can change the style settings of the testimonials block to match your WordPress website. This block is fully customizable and you can use it on any page builder. To create professional testimonials, we have used the Brandy Blocks plugin. This is a free plugin. I have already installed it, and now I'm going to activate and show you how to use it. First, simply open up the box or page where you want to add testimonials. Then I'm gonna click on the plus icon to open the WordPress Block Editor. Scroll down to the bottom. You will see the Brandy Block section, or quickly search for Brandy. You will see these Brandy blocks that you can add to the WordPress website, including testimonials and pricing. Select testimonials. This is the block that we are going to use. Click on it. So here you will see a testimonials block with Brandy. This plugin has a pre-designed layout for testimonials. You just need to select and customize this block according to the style you want. On the right hand side, you will see a setting to customize. From here, let's say I want to use for testimonials. If you want to change the content, you can simply click on it. And here you can select this one and type in your own content. Also, you can change the name, the information of reviewers, and the image like that. If you want to have full control to customize the testimonials, simply select parent block. Now let's go to carousel settings and click on autoplay. It's going to autoplay the testimonials. Then modify the transition speed. This is the speed after 2000 seconds. The single testimonial will auto slide. Next, you can continue to change the appearance of testimonials block. Here to change the size of avatar, typography, color of name, subname, and content. With a rating, you can also change the size, the color, and modify spacing. Now, custom around a dock section. Here you can change the style settings of around and dots. Then, click on wishlist to display your professional testimonials on the WordPress website. Move to the front end, and here are our testimonials. Thus, by using the Brandy Block plugins, we will easily create testimonials from experts and users on your WordPress website to boost your business website credibility. This plugin is completely free and easy to use. Try it out!